Hey, Derek and I wanted to give you a quick update on our showroom here. It's finally done. The centerpiece is this Weymouth granite fireplace. That's the stone we quarry here that builds all of Boston College and Yale. My uncle built this about 40 years ago, Derek's dad. And then you come around here, we start looking at our exclusive products. That's our exclusive Heartland veneer that comes in blue and caramel. You come around the other side, our Connecticut stone exclusive. We have full bed stone in the back. Any cut, any size, any shape for the veneer stone. Then around here are our exclusive thin brick, recycled granite. The centerpiece over here is our ocean floor Heartland table made with 200-year-old reclaimed Western cedar. And then as I come around, our giallo, another exclusive product. Patio stock, pool coping, tile, one-of-a-kind stone that built Venice, Italy.